Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan back here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at an all-new product to Detail King, the BLUGATOR Seat Belt Cleaning Brush. This brush was specifically designed to save time and ultimately money when cleaning seat belts. Traditional seatbelt cleaning involves cleaning one side at a time. Well, now with the BLUGATOR brush, you can clean both sides at once. It has semi-stiff bristles for effective yet gentle cleaning. To clean seat belts while using the BLUGATOR brush, you can use it in combination with any of your favorite Detail King interior cleaning products, such as Pink Power, our Extractor Soap, some Magic Cleaner Concentrate, Velour and Upholstery Cleaner, and it's also essential to have a couple interior cleaning microfiber towels. A dirty seatbelt can stick out like a sore thumb in a clean vehicle, and they can even hold nasty odors. This is why seatbelt cleaning can be a great way to pick up some extra cash in a full detail. So for the demonstration today, along with our BLUGATOR brush, we'll be using Detail King's Velour and Upholstery Cleaner and a couple interior microfiber cleaning towels. One's gonna be for wiping away the dirt and one's gonna be for drying. So we'll simply shake up our Velour Cleaner, spritz a little bit onto the seatbelt, front and the back. And then we have our BLUGATOR brush sitting in a bucket of water here. Now we're gonna apply the wet brush to the seat belt so that both sides, the full seat belt width is covered, and we're gonna begin agitating the dirt and lifting it. Okay, now we're going to take our microfiber towel, wrap it around the seat belt, full width on both sides again, and just lift that dirt right up. And as you can see, we have a whole bunch of dirt that comes off. Now you'll want to repeat this same process until your seat belt is fully clean. Here, we're going to do it a few more times, and then we're going to take our drying microfiber towel and dry the seat belt. Even though you use a microfiber towel to dry the seatbelt, it might still need some air drying time. But now you have a clean seatbelt in just half the time. Okay guys, that's an overview of the all-new BLUGATOR Seatbelt Cleaning Brush. To get any of the products that were used in today's videos, they'll be linked in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and visit us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on all things Detail King. And don't forget to visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have all the products you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.